2 cups idli rice soaked for at least 4 to 5 hours. Half cup urad dal washed and soaked. This is puffed rice or pori. I just washed it once and squeezed and kept it aside. Now adding rice to the mixer jar. Now transfer this to a bowl. Now I am going to grind urad dal. Add required water and grind smoothly. Now I am adding this pori along with the urad dal after the urad dal is blended. Now add this batter along with the rice batter. Now add required salt. Now mix this well and allow it to ferment overnight, and you can make yummy benne dosa in the morning. Allow it to ferment overnight.